Basal metabolic rate. How to use BMR to lose weight. In today's video, we'll talk about basal metabolic rate or BMR and how you can use it to lose weight. BMR is defined as the amount of calories your body needs to function normally and healthy daily. The organs such as the heart, the lungs, as well as the process of digestion all take energy. It means they require calories. The average amount of calories needed by females is lesser compared to males. The average amount of calories that a body will burn in a female is approximately 1,700 to 1,900 calories per day. That's how much calories your body burns while doing nothing. On the other hand, a male will generally burn 2,200 to 2,400 calories. But there are other factors at play here besides gender, including age and size of your body and many others. The important thing is for you to understand what basal metabolic rate is. Let's say for a female you're eating close to 2,000 calories. You would need 3,500 calories to either gain a pound of fat or lose a pound of fat. For example, if a female has a basal metabolic rate of 2,000, if you're exercising and burning more calories, that will go towards that 2,000. If you exercise for 30 minutes, 10 calories a minute average, that's 300 more calories. And over the course of 2.5 hours, you burn 2.5 times at 300. So you're like 3,750 calories. You burn calories just by exercising for 30 minutes. If you add that to your basal metabolic rate and you start going against the amount of calories you're taking in through food, you may have a deficit of 500 calories. If you do it over the course of 7 days, that's 7 times 500 calories. 3,500 calories in 1 week, you lose a pound of fat. So you really have to look at the scale that if you're under 3,500 calories, you lose a pound of fat. If you take an excessive amount of 3,500 calories, you gain a pound of fat. We also would like to introduce you to a product that can turn your metabolism on whenever you want. It's called CarboFix. It will allow your body to burn more calories and fat at rest. The all-natural formula in CarboFix will help fight against belly fat, uncontrollable weight gain, and intense cravings. To know more about this amazing product, click the link in the description. If you want to see more great videos about health, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to make sure you won't miss a single upload. Thank you for watching, see you again next time!